Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will talk about words we can use instead of very. Very painful, excruciating, excruciating. The excruciating pain in my chest made it impossible to concentrate on anything else. Very exciting, exhilarating, exhilarating. The exhilarating roller coaster ride left me breathless and eager to go again. Very funny, hilarious, hilarious. The stand-up comedian's performance was so hilarious that the entire audience couldn't stop laughing. Don't say very great, say terrific, terrific. The surprise party thrown by my friends was absolutely terrific, and it made my birthday unforgettable. Never say very hurt, say shattered. Shattered. The news of his failed business venture left him shattered, as he had invested his heart and soul into the project. Do you want to say very detailed? Say meticulous. Meticulous. The artist was meticulous in every brush.
You can reach me at Shree Academy 94160 58255. Email is shreeacademy42@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy learning with Shree Academy.